Once the onions have cooked for 3 or 4 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add the cheese whiz and the cream of mushroom soup. Once your onion, cheese, and soup mixture is fully blended, we're going to go ahead and dump this onto the casserole dish and mix all ingredients well. In your greased casserole dish, go ahead and add your chopped broccoli. In this case, I used fresh, but frozen is fine. I'm going to add 2 cups of white rice. And 1 cup of milk. So go ahead and stir everything. Make sure the milk, the rice, the cheese, the broccoli is all blended well. And then we're going to go ahead and cook in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes uncovered.